Video marketing is all the rage these days. You know, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Shoot, you're looking at some of it right now. If you've seen all of this video marketing and wondered, how can I put it to work for my business? You need to meet my friend, Justin Brown. I had the opportunity to study under you for several months. I mentioned you had appeared on a previous appearance here on Radio Free Enterprise, and I learned a lot from you. And it's little wonder because you are a genuine guru. I got to read some statistics here. When it comes to video production and YouTube, you have almost 700,000 subscribers currently, 328 videos posted, of which I've noticed several have over 1 million views each, and over 60 million total video views on YouTube. I mean, that's pretty impressive. And you clearly know what you're talking about when it comes to both video production and distribution. Your company's motto is grow your brand and scale your revenue with video. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today, is how people can do that. Now, you have your Primal Video Accelerator program that helps people do exactly what your motto states. Can you tell us a little bit about, I guess on a general level, what people learn who enroll in the Accelerator program?
Yeah, perfect. Again, thanks for having me on. So our Accelerator program is kind of the next step from our YouTube content. So we put out one free video on YouTube every week, talking around video creation, around growing it on YouTube, and also around the monetization or the revenue side of this as well. So inside of Accelerator is kind of the deep dive into those. It is our playbook on how we run Primal Video. It's our processes, our systems, our checklists, the tools and things that we use to run Primal Video, and that we help and share with our clients as well. So that's everything from our entire keyword research process, how we come up with topic ideas that we know people are searching for, right through to how do we optimize our videos and what we're saying inside of our videos to help our viewers stick around in the video, but also to help YouTube place our content in front of the right people. And then obviously through to the monetization stuff, where we dive into affiliate revenue and revenue streams that you can add into your business, even if you're just starting out on things like YouTube, right through to email strategy and how we grow our email list off the back of YouTube. So it really is the playbook of how we run our business.